Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Lina. In today's video, we are going to make a very quick and easy Diwali DIY. The first one being Trash to Treasure, where we'll be making a tea light holder, and for the second DIY, we'll be doing a diya craft, which can be used as a wall hanging and as a door toran. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. First, we are going to make a tea light holder. For this, I am using a mayonnaise empty jar and a cell operated flickering tea light candle holder. First, check whether the LED light fits into the jar, and once it is easy to remove and fix, then we can start by peeling off the stickers and clean and dry it before we start painting it. For this project, I am using Fevicryl glass color and 3D outliner. This is a water based color and it comes in 10 shades with a black 3D outliner. It comes with a nozzle, so let's fix the nozzle and let's start drawing. So with a black outliner, let's draw a very simple pattern like this. Now using a pearl metallic 3D outliner, draw two parallel lines like this. You can draw any pattern. I'm just using simple mehendi design. Fill in any design that comes to your mind. Some zigzag lines, straight lines, squares, leaf, flower patterns, some circles. Basically anything that can easily be drawn freehand. You can also add sticker bindis or half pearls or any decorative items to enhance the look. You can also add laces on the top. After you're finished with your design, leave it to dry completely. And our first look of the tea light holder is ready. This is how it looks with the lights on. For the second look, fill it using glass color of your choice. You can apply it directly with the bottle. Remember to let the glass color dry before tilting your jar to apply on the other side, otherwise it will spread. If there are any air bubbles, break them using a pin or toothpick. For the next DIY, we need chart paper, glitter sheet. This one is soft, just like a gift wrapping paper, woolen thread, glue, and scissor. Wrap the woolen thread 13 times around a cardboard strip. Tie it 2 to 3 times to secure it. Now tie another strip, leaving little space on the top, and your tassel is ready. Similarly, make few more. Now for the diya, fold chart paper multiple times and cut semicircles, and take 2 semicircles and stick them like this. After drying it, this is how it looks, and we will be adding one more semicircle to give it a 3D effect. Similarly, I have done it for the flame and I have used the glitter sheets for the same. Now it's time to assemble them all. Now for the final touch, let's stick glitter tapes to add the required bling to our diyas. These are easily available in all craft shop. They are available in different colors and patterns. You can also purchase them online. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing it. And if you like my videos, please hit the like and do share it with your friends and family. I love the way it has turned up. I'm going to use it to decorate my wall. Here you can see that I have sticked them in 2 layers. If you wish, you can add more layers and cover the whole wall. And in order to decorate my entrance, I have sticked 4 diya hanging on both the sides. A welcome to our home door hanging. This is a DIY. If you have not seen the video, I will leave the link above. And added few air purifiers and 2 tea light holders, and my entrance is ready. I hope you found this video useful. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.